face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nana Yao, and my channel is about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you're new to this channel and you're interested in making money online, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So today's video I just came up with an app that will help you make money by just taking photos. Yes, by just taking photos and answering some few questions about the photo, something like that. So the name of the app or the website is premise.com. You come to premise.com, then you can read about them. As you can see here, make money by taking photos. Okay, so premise is mapping life in your city or for organizations working to improve your community, and you can download this application on iOS devices and Android devices as well. So earn money by helping map your city's pulse. Okay, get paid for reporting on your daily activities. That's cool. Use your local knowledge to help improve your community. Wow. Join a global network of premise contributors. So it's cool on how it works. Okay, download the premise app and create an account. Okay, so I'll leave the link to the download under the description, so you check it and you download the application, then you are good to go. Enter your payment information. This is the best part I love. They pay you. You can get your payment through PayPal, through I think Coinbase, yeah, which is Bitcoin. You can receive your payment through Bitcoin. You can use Coinbase, and they have a lot of bank accounts that you can receive your payments in. Yeah, you can receive your payment through a lot of bank accounts. Yeah, they don't just support maybe one account, something like GCB or Zenith Bank. No, they support a lot of banks that you can redeem your money for there, and you can also redeem your money for to top up your credit account. Like if you don't have credit, you can use your money to top up your credit or your airtime account. That's a cool, and I love this. Okay, complete your first task and you get paid. Once you have completed enough tasks, you will be ready to cash out. That's cool. Okay, so you can visit these sites and read more, but you need to download their app before you can start taking their tasks, and I will leave the link to the download under the description so you can check it out. Let's go to the app and see. Okay, this is the premise app. Okay, so their tasks are like this, and for those people, this app, you don't need to use a VPN because they support it's a worldwide application, and it doesn't matter where you are, you can use this application because it uses your map to matches you to tasks. So if you use a VPN and it tells you to go here, go there, and you're not in that particular city or something like that, that means you will not be able to do it. So there's no need to use a VPN to access this site. So the text looks like this. Okay, this one says tell us about your political participation. So I'll click on it. And did you vote in your last national election? I'll say yes. And do you think your local government cares about your perspectives? I'll say somewhat. Okay, how informed do you feel about politics in your city? Somewhat. Okay, what is your primary source of information about politics in your city? I would say public. No, not this. there's no newspapers. Okay, traditional news media, I would say that. How informed do you feel about politics in your country? Somewhat. Okay. What is your primary source of? If I think they've taken me back. Okay. Which group do you most trust to solve problems in your area? I think local. How satisfied are you with the opportunities you have to meaningfully participate in a blah 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 blah. Say this. I don't have time to read anymore. So okay, then you click on submit. Okay, so you see you can check the histories here. So the task, once you complete a task, it will take them 24 hours to review your task and credit your amount to your account. So as you can see here, it's under review, and this one is also under review, and all of these are under review. So this task, I think it requires you to take an image. So okay, let me click on it to show you guys. Continue. Oh, I should have read for you to see. Okay, take a photo inside the vehicle to verify your mode of transportation. So this task is asking you to, the task needs you to take a picture in a car or a bus. So this is how it works, and it looks like. So once you've submitted a task, they will just review it within 24 hours, and if your task is being approved, then they send your they credit you with your balance in your account. So if you want to top up with an airtime, that's the minimum one is I think Ghana 1 cedi. So those people in Ghana here, it's just Ghana 1 cedis. You can use it to top up your airtime. And for the bank withdrawal, I think it's 38 cedis. So once you reach 38 Ghana cedis, you can withdraw it to your bank account. But for those outside Ghana, you can also use this and cash out to your bank account or your PayPal or your Coinbase. So your Coinbase, which is Bitcoin. So this app is really good and it's legit, and they really pays, and they are still paying. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Don't forget to share and comment. And if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please, this channel is for you. Hit on your on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Thank you once again for coming back to my channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Tell me that you love me.